The new queen from Bulacan was crowned last night as Miss Universe Philippines. Chelsea Manalo will be representing the Philippines in Miss Universe 2024 later this year. Sam Martos for the entertainment news.
Our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is... Bulacan!
The new Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Manalo of Bulacan has been crowned at held at MOA Arena, where Miss Universe 2023 Michelle Marquez D passed the crown to Manalo. Manalo will represent the Philippines for upcoming Miss Universe held in Mexico. First runner-up was Miss Cainta Stacy Gabriel, second runner-up was Atisa Manalo from Quezon Province, third runner-up was Tara Valencia from Baguio, and fourth runner-up was Miss Taguig Cristilyn McGarry. Highlights of the pageant included an opening number featuring Michelle D and drag queen Marina Summer. In the swimsuit competition, the top 20 candidates wore their metallic brown swimsuit. They also showcased their long gowns made by Filipino designers. Miss Universe announced the representatives for other international pageants: Tara May Valencia for Miss Supranational, Cyril Payumo for Miss Charm, Alexi May Brooks for Miss Eco International, and Maria Atisa Manalo for Miss Cosmo. Meanwhile, Alden Richard, Miss Universe Arboni Gabriel, Jenny Mai, Tim Yap, and the actress Gabby Garcia will host the said pageant. This is Sam Martos for EuroTV Showbiz News.